Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, what I'm gonna do is we're going to clean our automatic washing machine using this Mr. Beckmann washing machine clean hygiene cleaner. So there's an instruction we will follow later. Okay, once again we're going to use this one, Dr. Beckmann washing machine hygiene. The tub must be empty. At the same time, the drum also must be empty. Must be without any clothes or anything. Now we will start pouring this one inside the drum of the washing machine. We will start open. We're going to pour everything inside. Okay, it's 250 grams. So we'll start closing it. We will turn it on, and we will put at least to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So it will wash 3 hours. So we will just wait. We will start. So it's done. We will open the door. We will check.